Peppers, especially chili, are known to produce very abundantly. But there is a slight problem when it comes to capsicum, or what we call the sweet peppers. They produce very few fruits, especially if you don't handle them well at the seedling stage. You need to start preparing your plant at the seedling stage by doing the correct pruning so that it gets to produce numerous fruits. Sweet pepper makes our meal very good and we actually crave for more. But this can be hampered on by not doing the right kind of pruning. So when pruning your seedling, first of all you need to ensure that it has 4 to 6 leaves, and then now you tip the top. You can either tip using your nail or you can use your secateur or a sharp knife to cut off. But you should ensure you leave at least minimum of 4 leaves. 4 to 8 leaves will do very well. This will ensure that your plants will be sustained by the food processed by these 4 leaves through photosynthesis. When you top your seedlings, it kind of create a dormancy in your plant whereby all the energy is now channeled towards producing new shoots on the location of the leaves that you left. These are sites that will now produce more fruits when it comes to the reproductive stage. If you prune your seedlings this way, there's a very high probability that you'll get a lot of produce in the long run. So we shall make a follow-up video on other issues that entails capsicums. But until the next video, I encourage you to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I'll see you on the next video. Ciao and keep growing.